Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will install in a Jeep Wrangler JL 2020 this little phone holder from JOYTUTUS. JOYTUTUS. I try to give you a close-up here on this unit a little bit. It looks like it's made of aluminum, so pretty lightweight, but not plastic. Just here back, this knob, this one is made of plastic. So far, from what I can see, and also the holder, so we'll see how that holds up. Let's check what we need to do, because I think that's the unit it came with. We also have a couple bolts, or screws in this case, which go into the plastic in the car, in the Jeep itself. Let me show you where we'll install it. Here you can see my installation so far. I got this pretty cheap on Amazon, which is an entire tray. Usually your stock Jeep will have this little rubber inlet, and there's nothing like this in here, so I need to now take this one out. In case you have a stock Jeep, you just take this one out. There's no bolt, no screw, nothing in it. You just take it out, pry it out maybe a little bit with a screwdriver or something, but be careful, don't scratch anything. And I have to take this one out, and I'll use my screwdriver to take it out. And what you will need to install the new one is a screwdriver as well. So let me do that really quick. Alrighty. So what I did, I used one of those bolts I had already, so one of those screws here, one of these screws here, which is also Phillips head, and also strong. I only used one of them. You can use one of those which did a little bit with it. The reason why I did that, there is only one dedicated hole, which is in here. You can see that the little outlet, that's where the bolt goes in. And the other ones, so that's pre-drilled. The other ones, there are two more around this little thing, which require you just bolting through the plastic, which I'm not a fan of. So I didn't do that so far. Now I have to just fix this and everything, make it tight. I wiggled it here. It is okay. I do not know how it will behave over time. So I'll now set it up, I'll tighten it more here on this side with this hex bolt. That's fixed, and then I will adjust this one here for my phone. One thing I didn't know, well, the whole thing I didn't know, that you have to bolt into the plastic of the Jeep dash. I don't like that one. I didn't know about that, but it's what it is, this product, so be aware of it when you buy it. But what you will lose as well is on this side, and that's something you can adjust if you want to. This little rubber, you can put it in, you can cut it if you want to, and it will just fit in there. So if that's something you want to do and you're totally fine with, do it. First, finalize this, because I think it will be better than the one before. Then I like that it's sticking out more than the radio at the moment, so that's great. And let me do that really quick, and then I'll show you the final product. So now we have the phone mounted. I do have a Google Pixel with a quad lock case around it. Google Pixel 6. And down here it can be mounted, but also up here it can be mounted, or I'll take off the case. That's easier. But it would be pretty much like this in your vision, just that you understand it. Sorry for the light here on the side. It's a little dark in here. But that's what it would look like. And when you're driving, there will be a vibration due to the missing bolts, I'm sure. I usually like to have it lower anyways, so we'll see what I prefer. This is the one setup. Or this one is the other setup, which I actually prefer to have it lower, because it's not in my view, basically, when I drive, so I see the street. So this is nice. I think it's not too bad here. We'll see how I do like that. We'll see how much vibration we do have here when driving. Right now, there's a little bit, and I hope I don't need to use the other bolts to tighten this one back here. I have no idea yet. I'll test it, and we'll see how it performs. But I do like the style. I do like that it's now further out, so it's not covering anything here back there anymore with this big display. The buttons back here, so I can reach them. The outlet, the fan outlet, is behind it a little bit, so I have to see how I like that, or if I have to move it up. But in general, that's the arm, and I think that's not too bad actually. So yeah, we'll see how it performs. I like that it's not all plastic, it's more aluminum, so that's nice. I hope it's aluminum. If not, I'll let you know. All right, yeah. Let me know what you think. Do you have another solution? Do you have a better solution? Or do you like this one? Because I think price-wise and value, what you get here is probably not too bad, actually. I like that one. Yeah, let me know what you think about it. It's straightforward, it's easy. And if you want to mount the other ones or use the other screws in there, you can. Certainly, it's they tap in themselves, screws or whatever it's called. They just tap in, so you just use a screwdriver and basically tightening down, that's all. So yeah, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Tschüss!